boys and girls, this is Darth Vader. Do you like my new car? It's great, isn't it? Yes. Can you feel the power? Can you feel the energy? Yes. I am your Lord Vader, ruler of the galaxy, ruler of the evil empire. You don't understand why I drive a Honda, but I like it. It's cute and yellow. It's great. I can do wheelies. My cape flaps in the wind. Yes. Yes, victory is ours. We will soon destroy the rebel scum. Yes. What's that? You don't like yellow Hondas? We'll piss on you. You fucking fool, you. How dare you test my might? Oh, I'll kick your ass. You're making me very upset right now. I can tell you don't like my car. Well, my car doesn't like you either. Piss on you fools. This is the end of my video. You will talk to me later. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.